Is your VW Jetta's alarm randomly activating? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially in older models from the 2000s to early 2010s. The most frequent culprits are the door latch switch, hood sensor, and siren battery. These components can fail due to age, corrosion, or wear. When these sensors send false signals, the car's body control module triggers the alarm. Newer Jetta models have more advanced alarm systems, which reduce alarm malfunctions. However, older models still have these issues. Start by checking the door latch switches for corrosion or misalignment. A faulty switch is the most common cause of false alarms. Next, inspect the hood sensor for damage or debris. Finally, if your Jetta is over 10 years old, the siren battery might be weak or dead. You can often resolve these issues yourself. Replacement door switches cost $20 to $50, hood sensors around $30, and sirens $50 to $100. Forums like Volkswagen Owners Club and Reddit's r/Jetta are great resources. Remember to reset the BCM after repairs, and regular sensor cleaning can prevent future problems.